Hi there. Sorry about that. I accidentally touched that on my recording stop button, and then so this is the parts two videos. Okay. Now, I am about to combine these two, Gabri Saver and Gabri Bolver. Okay, and then let's touch that. Okay, I need to open this one here. Yeah, right. ちょっと開けるよ. Right. Right. And now it should be inside there. Here it is. Okay, it's attached it, and then this is the Gabri Canon. Now, Gabri Canon has that special sound activation, but the question is that how it's gonna, if it's going to change that, activation, the shooting sound, if we swap that, the Judenchi inside, lower part and upper part. So this is the part one, okay? Number one part, number one Judenchi is lower part now, and number 15 is upper part. Okay, allow me to shoot this one. Okay, and then we have the pump. 2 times. It doesn't, it doesn't make any difference with that. If you turn that this cylinder or not, it doesn't work with that. Okay. It does not talk or activate any particular sound. I don't think it is reading any, the Judenchi sound. Okay. Let's do that one more time. The 2 pumps. Mucha. So the only difference I can hear is that one, this pump actions, 1 Bamura, or 2 pump actions. No, and then these are the only 2 the differences you can make. And let me try the third. It doesn't matter, okay? 1 or 2, all right? That's the pump action that make that sound different sounds. Now, let's, let me just break it up, okay? And then to do that, we have, this is something that I did not show it last videos. We have that, special button, releasing button over here, okay? And to detach that, these 2 items, and press that, and then pull. Okay. All right, okay. Just you need that power there. Just like that. Let me just do it. Attach that. Makes that special sound, and by releasing it, also activate that detaching sound. I like that. Okay. All right. So this is let's try that, change that sound, location of these Judenchi. Okay, here we go. 1, here's 1, 2. Okay, you see number 1 is here, number 15 is here. I will just swap them. 15 is a lower part now. Oh. Okay. And number 1 is on the top part. All right, now, okay, and just. Okay, Armela Gabdira. Okay. Okay, I think they swapped that name. Allow me to do it again. I swapped that to. Yeah, Gabricio and Marmela. So it's changing the names, orders. So let me shoot this one. How about this? Okay, sounds like a special attack sound is the same, but actually these by changing that Judenchi, you can just actually change the names, the name orders. All right, so this time let's try that this Judenchi, okay, Judenchi set. Let's use that a different Judenchi now. Something completely different. Okay, so we have number 19, and this is the what's that? Tupelanda. Tupelanda is here, and we have number 17. Obilapu. Okay, so let's try the 17. Will be lower part maybe. Here we go. And number 19 will be upper part. Okay, now let's close this. All right, so Obilapu Topelanda. Okay, I'm learning new language here. Okay, Obilapu and Topelanda. So that's the how that's the order that they read it. Okay. Boom. Okay, I like that. All right, so let's swap that, these poon sounds. Okay, so we have 17 lower part, and then number 19 upper part. Now number 19 goes lower part. 17 goes to top. There we go. Press this and up. Okay, so Topiranda, Obirapu, and so they changed the order name again. So it proves that it does read the numbers, read the Judenchi, and then activate the sound differently. And I noticed that, that way he pronounces poom is that somewhat different from what he says first. I don't know. I mean, if it's true or not. Not sure. But I'm sensing that it has that more variety recording inside, even though the same name, like a porn. Okay. Toperanda, there must be a two-way of the sounds, I believe. And more, we'll be finding out the sounds here, and as the Bandai is going to introduce that more Judenchi, they probably going for the Kamen Rider Judenchi, I guess. Yeah, Mr. Bruno will love this one, I'm sure. Yeah, those different species names, and very interesting. I understand that these, actually the Gabri Saver, unfortunately this does not have any, reading Judenchi capability. I noticed that it just does the same sound. No matter which Judenchi you inserted, it's the same. But with the Gav Revolver, yeah, of course, this is the main morpher, main items, core items, and should have that more sound than other toys. So this makes that it's really something that you really need to get this year to support that Kyoryuja items, And so, unfortunately, though, we sold out everything for the as a first wave. Okay, we got what pretty much 24 or something, over 24, I think, and they all gone. But we need to wait for the second wave, and we will push that, our toy man. And I'm sure that we probably going to get some very small numbers, maybe 2 or 3, something like that, hopefully. Then we need to wait for the just maybe another couple weeks. Okay, so that's something happening here. Okay, so now just before I go, I like to just try one more thing with the this Gaburi saver. Now remember that we have the completely different Judenchi inside. Okay, and let's find out if it's the combo sound will change or not. Okay, now it's a combo sound. Okay, my guess is that it doesn't make sense. Okay, it doesn't make any differences. Okay, here we go. One. Right, and turning that and the cylinder doesn't make any differences, and okay, that's a machine gun style. It's a Bamura. It's a single pump action, and or 2 times pump actions. Just the way they say is this, probably, I mean, it's just pretty much the same. Okay, and the sound of the shooting sound is doesn't any differences. Single shot, kind of bazooka shot. Okay, as you keep pressing it, machine gun sound. Okay, I wish that they could have the little bit more affecting sound with the cylinder or something, because this is really very good toy that can combine it with the Judenchi sounds. But well, it's a great toys, and I really love that with the samba sound as well. Well, so hope that this review will help you to understand this videos, these toys. And thanks to the Mado Co. Thanks for your questions. I hope that this video is answered to your questions. Okay. And he says that either way, the gimmick of this role play toy is really cool. I have to agree. Yeah. It feels like that a double driver except with more playability. Ah. Yeah, I feel like the double driver except with more playability. That's a kind of interesting comment, isn't it? Yeah, double driver. Yeah, it's true. Double driver is nothing but the drive, changing those Gaia memories and making the different sounds. The way you can play with it is that not much, but because it's a henshin belt, right? But this one you can combine, combine with the become the big guns. And of course, still you can by swapping that Judenchi can activate a different combination, different sounds, and it's there more a way to play with it, I think. So yeah, true. More playability, and after all, everybody likes a big gun, and it's a toy. It's not the real gun, okay? And I think people loves the big guns to play with. Okay. All right, so that's all for that, and thank you very much. And we will continue that. We have a couple more toys that we have not done the reviews, and so hope you enjoy that. Coming up next. Okay. Thank you very much. This has been the live recording from CSTOYS International, and we will continue.
Polenta, polenta,